Welcome to Sherlock Institute of Forensic Science. Do you get fascinated by the power of images to tell stories and reveal the truth? Do you want to learn how to capture crucial evidence that can change the course of investigations? SIFS's online course on forensic photography teaches you how to turn your camera into a tool for justice and assist in solving complex cases. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or new to the world of photography, this course is your gateway to the art of forensic photography. Learn the techniques of crime scene documentation, image enhancement, role photography plays in preserving evidence. Elevate your photography skills with us. Choose between a prestigious certificate and a postgraduate diploma. Enroll now. Get ready to use your lens to uncover the truth. Click the link in the description below to learn more.